How to use Layla voices in Harmony app. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the search bar, and search for Layla. Now click on install. Now wait for some time until the application is installed in your device. Now click on open. Now tap on Google, select your account. Now select your gender, choose your date of birth, tap on next, enter your nickname, tap on next, choose your interest. Now from this page you can explore different persons. Now from the chat section you can chat with different peoples. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about a choice topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.